Hello, Queen Bees! So for today's vlog, we will cook a beef with a young corn. It's easy and delicious. So we will start. 1/2 kilo of beef sirloin. 1 red or white onion chopped. 3 cloves garlic minced. 1 can young corn. 3/4 cups of water. 2 packs of oyster sauce, 30 grams each. 1 bell pepper, green or red. Chop bell pepper into stick. First step, in a bowl, combine beef, liquid seasoning or soy sauce, and pepper. Set aside for 30 minutes. Put some oil in a pan. Saute garlic and onion until becomes translucent.
Add beef mixture, including marinade. If there's any left, continue sauteing until beef becomes brown and cooked through.
It will form a super thick sauce, so make sure you're cooking this on medium heat or the sauce will evaporate. Add the young corn, red bell pepper or green. Add the water and oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can use the cornstarch. For my case, I don't have any available, so I will use the oyster sauce. Simmer for 5 minutes. Put it in a bowl and garnish with chopped spring onions.